Hey guys, welcome to Simply Hike. So today we're taking a look at the most complicated product that North Face has ever created. This is the Peak Drew Hoodie. Now basically, the only reason why I'm showing you guys this is because it's an absolute classic. This is a great hoodie for pretty much all occasions. You can even wear it hiking if you really want to. Use it under the 3-in-1 system. So it's a nice traditional hoodie design. To be fair, you've got nice elasticated cuffs on there, so it's going to stay nice and snug, but they're not too tight. So you know, for lounge wear, it's really, really good. And you got yourself the traditional pocket on the front there, as you can see, in and out, pretty much like a standard hoodie. But this is a firm favourite from hikers, adventurers. Like seriously, you think of North Face, and 9 times out of 10, it's either the duffel bag that pops into your head, or it's this hoodie right here. It's got a really nice classic fit to it. Nice soft design, but it's a nice soft lining on the inside. I'll spin it round here as well, and as you can see, it's just got a nice generic fit. And even at the bottom, you've got a nice slight elastication there, so it's not too tight around your hips, but it's just got that little bit of snugness as well. And the hood itself is absolutely massive. You know, you've got quite a lot of volume in that hood. But yeah, it's a hoodie from North Face. It's a really classic design hoodie. So if you're after a little gift for someone, you know, or you know, you just want to represent the hiking world, but you also want to be a bit low key and casual, this is definitely something to look out for. Anyway, thanks for watching, and happy trails. Natural fuel. With more and more travellers becoming eco-friendly, over the past couple of years, wood-burning stoves have grown massively. They're now cleaner and cook better, and in some cases can transfer the heat into energy so you can charge your electrical devices. So that's the ins and outs of fuel. Let's take a look at different types of stoves.